going on, guys? So Eric Ellis here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, what I'm going to be doing is teach you guys how to actually make $500 per day with this small little setup, right? Now, first and foremost, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging something called affiliates marketing, right? Now, affiliate marketing is something very simple. It's basically when you don't own the product, somebody else owns the product, but they'll allow you to promote their product that they created. So they created the product, they created the sales process, they handle the customer service, they handle the fulfillment, they literally do all the work. All you have to do is find a buyer, and once you find a buyer and the transaction is made, you get paid a commission. So you're basically getting paid for referrals. So we're professional middleman, right? Now, what we're gonna be doing is you're probably asking, okay, how can I make $500 per day fast, right? That's what I said, and I want to go ahead and live up to what I said in that title. Now, first and foremost, right? These affiliate products, the type of affiliate products that we're going to be promoting is courses, right? Now, there's different types of affiliate marketing products out there, but courses start at $9.97, right? The average course starts at $9.97, and if you were to get paid a 50% commission on a $997 product, that is how much money? $500. We're just gonna go to round it up, right? Now the question is, what type of courses, where do you find these things, so on and so forth, right? Now basically what we're gonna do is, this is what the actual process looks like, and this is how we're gonna go ahead and get paid, right? Now the first step is we're gonna need an offer, right? And the offer is the actual $1,000 course. Somebody else created the course. Usually these courses are in the make money online niche, so people who want to learn how to make money online. And then what we're going to do is, now that somebody wants to make money online, we need to find that buyer, and then we need to go ahead and send them through a sales process, get them sold. Once they buy, we get paid a commission. So this is what it looks like. So here's Bill right here, right? He's interested in making money online. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and send him to our affiliate link, right? So I'm gonna put AL for affiliate link right here. This affiliate link is basically a registration page, so he can take a look at our webinar, right? So, or at the affiliate program's webinar, right? So once he registers, basically whether he's gonna register for a specific time, whether it's 12 p.m., 3 p.m., whatever that looks like. And then what's gonna happen is, first and foremost, what is a webinar, right? Because that might be jargon within itself. So have you ever heard of a seminar? Like a seminar, you go to a seminar like Tony Robbins or some sort of event, or basically an event that you go to at this place, and this place they teach you something valuable, right? That's basically what a webinar is, but a webinar is an online seminar. That's why it's called a webinar, right? It's basically a web class, an online training. They last about 60 minutes, and then after the 60 minutes, there's about another 30 minutes where people are basically making a product recommendation. So let me explain how this works, right? Basically, the first 60 minutes is going to be straight pure value. They're going to be teaching the person that you got to this page, they're going to be teaching them something value. Now, after they teach them something value, they're basically going to let them know, look, this is 60 minutes. Obviously, I can't teach you that much in 60 minutes. If you want to go further, boom, then they're going to go and recommend the course. If you want hours upon hours of value, check this out. And then they're going to go and pitch a course for about $9.97. Now, here's the thing. The thing is that these people who create these programs, right, the way that they get people to these programs is they use paid traffic. And what I mean by paid traffic, they use things like Facebook ads, blah, 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 Google ads, whatever that looks like, to get people to this registration page. So the money that they would end up spending to get people to this page, they'd also be willing to literally just pay you an affiliate commission, because everything is pure profit. If you bring somebody to this webinar and they didn't have to do paid traffic and you get a sell, they're gonna be willing to pay you 50% commissions, right? So with that being said, at the end of the webinar, once they make the product recommendation, after a sell is made, you get paid a 50% commission, thus your $500. Now, how do we get paid? How do we get people to this webinar, right? The easiest way, and this isn't the fast way, but I'm gonna go and show you guys how to get started, is what I do, right? In the Make Money Online niche, what you can start doing is you can start publishing content around making money online. So if you guys look, back in the day, my average view count is 1,000, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000. So every so often I get a YouTube video that does fairly well. For example, this one did 6,000, this one did 9,000 views, 7,000 views, so on and so forth, right? So this is called evergreen content. If we look, I also have one right here, 32,000 views. So this is called evergreen content. What evergreen content is? Content that you create, let's just say 6 months ago, and it's continuously, like, people are finding your content. And the way you're gonna do that is literally create content around the problem that people are trying to solve, or that this product's going to solve, right? So if this is a make money online course, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna publish content around making money online, and then when people search how to make money online, they're gonna find my videos. And kind of similar to what they're doing to the actual, in the webinar, I'm gonna provide value, and then at the end of my video, I'm gonna say, if you want more information, I'm gonna go ahead and give a call to action for them to actually take action on what it is that I'm recommending. And then that person is gonna be warm. They're obviously interested in making money online, so when they register, they go to the webinar, it's gonna be more likely for them to purchase. Now, how do you make money fast? The way you make money fast is, at the end of the day, I can publish all the content I want, but I'm not in control. YouTube is in control. The way you're in control is with paid traffic. So the way you can start doing paid traffic is you can get your first sale. Once you get your first sale, your first $500 commission, then you can go ahead and invest into something like Facebook ads. And what we're gonna do, this is what a Facebook ad looks like. You're gonna ask somebody, do you want to make money online, right? And then there's gonna be a call to action button at the bottom of the Facebook ad. Now, obviously, you have to go ahead and get in front of the right people. So there's different targeting. You could target people who are interested in entrepreneurship. You could target people who are interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, network marketing, specific entrepreneurship influencers, so on and so forth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get these ads in front of people who are interested in making money online. And then once we get in front of them, they're gonna go ahead and click this button, and they're gonna go ahead and actually go to the webinar registration page. They're gonna go to register for the webinar. For the people who actually buy on the back end, the $977 product, let's just say it costs you, out of that $500 that you made earlier, that $500, let's just say you were able to generate 2 sales, right? So what that means is it costs you $250 in advertising to get 2 people to buy this product, which was $2,000 in total sales, and you're gonna go out and get a 50% commission, which is $1,000. Now you tell me, would you spend $500 to gain $1,000? Absolutely, you just doubled your investment. So what you do is literally just reinvest this $1,000 back into that same campaign, and then you'll get $2,000 back on the back end, and rinse and repeat. And that's basically how you scale extremely quickly, because at the end of the day, you're in control. You can make that weekly, and then eventually daily, and then so on and so forth. You can scale to the freaking moon. So with that being said, if you guys want to actually learn this skill set, right, there is a link in the description or a button down below, depending on where you guys are watching this. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what products to promote. I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually promote them, how to drive traffic. I'm literally gonna go ahead and go more in depth, the step-by-step process of how you can execute this and start making a full-time income online. So click down below, take action, and I can't wait to see you guys on the other side. Now, if you guys gain value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Literally smash that that like button. It does help, and more importantly, hit that subscribers button to join the fam. Appreciate you guys. As always, Eric Ellis checking out.